Welcome back to my channel Hill Tutorial. In this video, I will tell you how to simulate a down counter with reset. So this is my down counter. Okay, so we have to make this counter, okay, this down counter into a reset down counter. So that means at a particular step of count, it will get reset to 0. So we have to make such a facility in this model. So how we can do it? So search for a switch. Okay, now remove this one. Okay, connect it here and this one here. This will be connected in this position. Okay, and the output of this delay will be connected here. Okay, and take a constant. Okay, this is a constant, and okay, now make it 0. So now you can see inside this we have to give the threshold. So threshold we have to give in minus because counter will start, this is the down counter, so it will start from 0 and it will go -1, -2, -3 like that. Okay, so now it is ready. I will simulate it, but before simulating I have to connect the proper signal. Okay, let me, this is connected, switch 1, okay, connected, just okay. Now start the simulation. So you can see the counter is started from 0 and it is counting, okay, till 5, okay, -5, and it is getting a reset, okay, to 0. So this is how we can simulate a down counter with reset. So hope this video will be helpful for your interview preparation in model based design. Thank you.